So it's full time here in Talbot. It's Talbot 2, Aberystwyth 2. I'm here with manager Wyn Thomas. Wyn, a quite remarkable last 8 minutes of the game. What's your thoughts?
Yeah, it was. There was nothing much in the game, as you would expect. It's quite close down the bottom, so we always knew it was going to be a tough place to come to. For Talbot, always been a tough place. The pitch was hard. The surface was tough to play on. There was a lot of mistakes out there, and like you said, the last 8 minutes was a bit crazy. I think we started off well. They got into the game. They scored a free kick. We should have defended that better, but we reacted second half. We come out stronger. We played in the right areas, and we got what we deserved. Venner's with a great header from a long throw. We changed it towards the end, and it worked for us. But there was a disappointment then with a mistake at the back, and I thought that was it. I thought it was all over. But the fighting spirit that we've got there, we've got people like Sean Shop that'll put everything on the line. Not only Sean Shop, just across the board. Serm, Stew, Corbs, Rhys Griffiths, Nettles come on, done very well, good quality, as we know, something that we spoke about today. But we were lucky to get a point. But when you've got people like Venner's, he'll always have a chance, and he'll always score a goal, to be fair to him.
Going into those final few minutes, and we had Curtis March down injured, did you ever imagine that was going to be the case, our game going to finish 2-2?
No, I got to be honest, when we scored to make it 1 each, I thought we'd go on and win. There was enough time with added time for Talbot and Carney, a keeper that we know, like to waste a bit of time, as we all know. I spoke to the ref at half time, and obviously he listened and he added the time on. It was a bit lucky because we scored with it, but it's disappointing. If we don't make the mistake at the back, do we go and win the game 2-1? I don't know. But all credit to the players once again. They put the effort in, they put the shift in. They're honest lads, good bunch, and that's what you get. You get honesty, you get hunger, you get desire. You got people coming off a bench and putting the shift in and doing well. Kano Wen, young lad, new to this league, but full of confidence, good ability, and hopefully one for the future.
As you said there, the bench made a big impact with Craig Williams scoring, it's Craig Williams' assist, and Ryan Batley throwing. How pleasing is that to have those options coming off the bench?
Oh yeah, massive. With Batley and his long throw, always from the halfway line, he can launch it into the box. Griff can win the headers, Venner's can get onto the second ball, and so on. Nettles, his ability is unquestionable, but sometimes he's in a comfort zone that we need to question, and that's all he lacks. We need that desire, we need that hunger, and it's not just him, we've got others, but we need to work on that. It's got to be a 90-minute game where your attitude, your commitment, your desire has got to be on it for 90 minutes. And people like Sean Sharp, you won't question that. Always put a shift in, and he'll leave Venner's get the glory. He'll leave Rhys Griffiths get the glory, but he'll put a shift in, and that's what we get across to everyone else. But second half, I think across the board, everyone put that shift in, and that's what we wanted.
And finally, it may not be a win, but that's a very, very big point at the end. How does that set us up for the rest of the season?
Yeah. Well, we didn't lose. So since the split, we've lost against Carmarthen, which again was a poor result, poor team performance that day. But we've grown, and we'll grow every single game. I'm hoping now with that last minute goal, last header, last touch, that it's turning, and hopefully the draws can turn into wins, because that's what we need. We need 3 points. We need to put pressure on Bangor, on Carmarthen, and fight for that 7th spot. It's not going to be easy. It's not ours to have. because Bangor and Carmarthen, but Talbot also, they want it. They want it just as much as Aberystwyth Town does. And hopefully, we've got Rill next week. Big game. Big game at Park Avenue. Hopefully, Friday night, we'll have a big crowd, big noise behind to cheer us on, because that's what we need. And hopefully we can get the result. But we need to put that effort in. We need to put that performance in that we did the second half today.
Wyn, diolch yn fawr am amser, diolch yn fawr.